Welcome back. I'm in the car right now, as you can tell. I'm driving. It's a little bit different this episode. I'm doing something I've never done. It's not something I do, and this is the first time for me. It's a little different. I am going camping. Alright, it's still a camping trip. But this time, I've got, you might as well say, company. Yes. I'm going camping with a follower. Now, I've never done this. I'm going to try to film it and record it, so I hope this works out and you see this. I'm not used to recording around people. I'm going to feel awkward. I'm sure the person's probably going to feel awkward. I haven't told that person I'm going to record. So it's it's going to be different. I am en route at the moment to meet up with them at a spot, and then we're going to venture off and camp for the night. It's only a one-night trip, close to home, so it should be good. It's cool. We can have a campfire. It's going to be a good night. So I will either see you where I meet up with this bloke, or I'll see you at the campsite. We'll see. See what happens. But stick around. Enjoy what might be an interesting, fun episode of me trying to record and talk on camera in front of someone. A bit different. Alright, see you there. Alright, pulled up to check out a spot on the way to another spot. Everyone, this is Dave.
Hi.
He's my follower. So I thought I'd just come check this out and see what it's like. There's a big pool of water here. Well, here we are. Check it out. It is a nice spot. Now, I'm not going to go easy on Dave. I've probably taken him to one of the harder to get to or get out of spots. So, well, he might say no. We'll see. But we've got to go down that, which doesn't look much on camera, but yeah. And I know how, hit my head, how rough it is, which is a good thing because it keeps crowds out. But we'll see what Dave thinks. Drop down, I hit hard, but just take it steady. Yeah, keep going. No, move over, drop into the rut. Follow the rut down. Straighten your wheels up. Straighten your wheels. You don't want to go up that way, you'll lean more. He's doing pretty good. It's a bit tight getting through here, as you can hear. Ooh. Better let him know. A little bit of a lean there and a bit scratchy and tight. Oh. But it comes out. A lot of you will recognise this spot. I've camped here twice before and filmed it. It's a good spot because not many people go to it, because it is a little bit difficult to get in and out. It's such a nice spot. Finally set up. What didn't you do?
Didn't open my roof up.
Ah, that's the problem, because you don't have the D-zip.
I don't have the D-zip.
That is something that I've got now. I got a new awning. The Outback Tourer 270 plus with the D-zip and lights. So, first time using it. Hopefully, it's good as what all the reviews say in that. But this is a magic spot. It's good. Bit rocky. I'm going to set up a fire there. It'll be nice. The breeze will blow it that way. But Murphy's Law, as soon as we set up the rooftops, the wind will change. And it'll come from the total opposite direction that the weatherman predicted. So yeah, but better set up now. I'm not really used to this awning, never used it. This is my first time sort of setting it up, so don't laugh at me on camera. I'm hoping it works. Oh, not the best spot. I'm not going to do a review or a setup tutorial or anything like that on this. You guys all seen them. They're all over the tube. But it does have lights, which is nice. Make sure everything's in properly. It's got legs if I need be. It is freestanding, but I know none of them really are. But what I like, it's got this D-zipper. So now I don't have to worry about the rooftop. I can open it at any time. Though I did have my little hack for the other way. So yeah, time to get the firewood out, I think, and get this fire going. Could be a cold night. Time to light the fire, if it lets me. A little bit wet, so it might take a bit to get going. But it should be good once we're going. Luckily, the wood's not that wet. It's wet from that shower we just had, but it's not that wet. Look at it, look at the rain. You can't beat camping in the rain. So good. I don't know how much rain is predicted, but I think there's a bit. But see, this is all part of my plan. Dave will never want to come camping with me again, but don't tell him, okay? Shh.
Wrong.
Shit. I have to work on it. If he catches fish, then he'll definitely want to come with me because I'll be his good luck charm. Well, I've seen Dave set his rooftop up. I better set mine up. It's not going to look as nice, but it will do it.
There's a reason for that. Mine doesn't get used as often as yours.
God, I need a ladder to get up the ladder. Oh, look at this. All set up. All it really is just that's a bit more faded, mine, compared to Dave's. And look at the size of the door difference. Mine's a little door. He's got the big door. It's a lot different, a lot bigger, a lot better. So, It just, yeah, and his vent is a lot higher up, the little vent up the top, where mine's down lower. That's just the older model, that's the newer model. He's got lights inside, disc go. He's got a huge surround sound system in there, big TV. Like, he does it in style, where I'm just the old Povo pack. But, you know, no, he doesn't have all that. He's got lights, but everyone knows I'm a really good fisherman, right? Everyone knows that. Down pat, I catch the biggest and the best fish in the world. Dave thinks he's a better fisherman than me. He's brought his rod. Do you want to see where he reckons he's going to catch fish? I'll show you. Come over. Come over here. Look. Right. He thinks he's going to catch fish. Okay? And he's telling me there's... Is it redfin you think might be here? He thinks there's going to be redfin in there. I don't think so. I think there might be yabbies or marron, but it's not season, so we can't go for them. No, he's not fishing there. Jokes. Jokes aside. He's going to try in the big pool of water over the back there. If he catches one, I'll have to go for a swim, I reckon, because I don't think he'll catch anything. I mean, what do I know? I'm not a fisherman. I struggle as it is, as we all know. But he thinks in here he might catch something. I hope he does. I'd love to see it. What a setup. Now that is a good advertisement for Rugged Rooftops, I must say. Might have to get a few happy snaps for him to send to him. Oh. Who does you reckon has a better rig, Dave or me? I'm not talking bodies, I'm talking vehicles, okay? I think they're both as good as each other. Both got different setups, so it's good to see, you know? One's the back entrance, like I used to have, loved it. One's the side entry. Oh. Oh, I'm loving it. Smoking us both out. The wind was meant to be blowing the other way, but now it's died off during the rain, the wind. So, oh. I should get the bucket out and save that. I would if I was staying longer, but I've got a big water source there, but rainwater is always better. It is pooling up, I'm noticing. Nah, that happens. Oh, just got to do that regularly. Dave's going to try his luck fishing. I'm going to let the fire go for a bit. It's smoking straight towards me. Christening my new awning. So, let's see if he has any luck. I'm hoping he does. He can cast better than me, which isn't hard. Got to be quiet and scare the fish. His technique, little flick now and then. Must be what I'm doing wrong. Dave's just grabbed his Hessian bag and his little rubbish grabber. It's a handy little thing. I've never really needed it, but I might have to get one. And he's picking up all the cans that some, I'm going to say it, dickhead, has left, like this. Right, they've left bottles, they've smashed bottles, they've even come down here, driven through here, and driven into the creek. Like, I don't see the point. You can't go anywhere. It's not a river crossing here to cross over. They've just destroyed it, chewed it up. And it's a shame. This is why places get closed. This is fucking idiots. Sorry, I shouldn't swear, but it pisses me off. Big time. It's just not on. There's no need for it. You can come here and enjoy and have a good time still without doing that. If you want to do that, go find a mud path or something. Jump in there. Whereas, not here in a pristine spot like this. It's beautiful. That's, yeah. Well, there's even a can in the water down there. It's so wrong. Generations to come are going to miss out on this because of idiots like that. Total idiots. One good thing, I haven't seen toilet paper, but there is broken glass. Hope I don't fall in.
Some form of plastic.
Isn't it? That's melted, that.
Yeah.
That's been in there for quite a while. I think that is glass. That is glass, yeah. Yeah, that's glass.
Did you get the can out of the water?
Yeah, that was that one I just threw then. Burn that. Yep, glass, melted.
Okay. Geez, they must have the fire hot then.
Yeah. Stinking hot. Oh. One more poo. I don't know who it was, but whoever you are, you need your head kicked in. Because I'm not into violence, but that's just disgusting.
Just ridiculous.
You just ruined a really good spot. Like, we nearly turned around and left. It was only because Dave thought he could catch fish, which he hasn't yet, that we stayed. He's telling he might still. Yeah, I think he's waiting for the sun to get into a certain position and the moon to join the atmosphere, and he might catch something. When he stands on his left foot with his right arm in the air. Something like that. He's got this remedy. I don't know what it is. He's not telling me.